Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and today we are going to make dry fruit and fig rolls. This sweet is the combination of dry fruits nutty flavor with chewy outer texture. Both the dry fruits and figs make a fantastic and truly divine combination. Make this delicious sweet with easily homemade ingredients for the upcoming Diwali and other special occasion. If you are looking for such a healthy and Indian fusion recipe, then please do subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so you never miss another update. And don't forget to share your comments in the comment section box below. And let's get started. This is 1 cup of warm milk. Into that I am going to add around 12 to 15 figs and we will let it soak in a milk for around 2 to 3 hours. After almost 3 hours, you can see our figs are soft. Now transfer it into a mixie jar and we will grind it into a smooth paste. Now our fig paste is ready. Take around 1 teaspoon of ghee into a pan. Now add fig paste into the pan. And now we will cook this paste until it becomes thick. This may take around 15 to 20 minutes depending upon the quantity of your figs you are using. Figs are already sweet in taste, so I'm going to add only 2 tablespoons of brown sugar into the paste. However, you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Keep on cooking and stirring. Now we will check whether our fig paste is ready or not. So for that, take a small amount into a plate and let it cool down for a while. When you are able to gather the paste into a small ball, that means that your paste is ready, but we still need to cook little bit longer. Now almost 2 to 3 minutes of cooking. You can see our paste is looking perfect now. You can see that we can easily form into a ball. So now this is done. Turn off the stove and take out the paste into a different bowl and let it cool down for some time. Now let's make another layer of our fig roll. So for that, take 1 cup of pistachio into a mixing jar and grind it into a powder. Similar way, take 1 teaspoon of ghee into a pan and transfer the pistachio powder into it. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar and we will cook it until it start forming a ball. If desired, add little bit of green food color into this paste. This is totally optional. If you don't want green color, you can skip the step. Now our pistachio paste is also ready. So take it out into a different bowl. And similar way we will make a paste out of almond flour. Instead of almond flour, you can also use cashew powder here. Also add 1/4 cup of sugar. For the yellow color, I am adding some saffron milk. You can also use yellow food color if you want. Now our almond flour dough is also ready. So now let's assemble everything together. Take a parchment paper or butter paper. I am using parchment paper here. Apply little bit of ghee on it. And now transfer the almond dough. This white part is going to be the middle portion of our roll. Now make it into a log the way I'm doing. Now our almond flour log is ready, so keep this aside, and now we will move on to the next step. Take another parchment paper and transfer the pistachio paste on it. Now place another parchment paper on the top of it, and we will roll it into a thin sheet. Make sure to roll enough to cover our white log on it. Now this is done, so transfer the white log on the middle of it and cover it from all the sides the way I'm doing. Make sure to cover it nicely so there is no air between two layers. Now this is done, so keep this aside. Now the top layer is going to be a fig layer. So take a fig paste, put another parchment paper on the top of it and roll it into a thin sheet. Now transfer the log which we have prepared earlier onto the third layer and make sure to cover it nicely from all the sides. Now our dry fruit roll is ready, so keep this aside. Meanwhile, roast some poppy seeds, also known as khaskhas. Now sprinkle some poppy seeds onto the parchment paper and cover the entire roll with poppy seeds. Instead of poppy seeds, you can also use white sesame seeds. Now our dry fruit roll is ready, so let it sit into the refrigerator for around 2 to 3 hours. Now our roll is out of the refrigerator, and you can see it has sat perfectly. I will cut and show you how nicely it has turned out. Now cut the roll into desired thickness. I'm also adding some pistachio in the middle part of the roll. And our fig rolls are ready to serve. If you like this recipe, then please give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to share with your families and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with the next recipe.